Hi, boys and girls. Hey, we're going to work on the color white again today. And before I get out the papers, I want to sing our white song. And I'm so sorry I don't have my book. That's okay. I might put it, if I can find it, I'll put it on Seesaw. You can practice singing it there too. But what we're going to do is spell it W-H-I-T-E. If we try to sound it out, it's wa-ha. Now the I is not going to say it, it's going to say its name. I-t. And the E is silent. The E is helping the I say its name. White, white. So let's do it. W-H-I-T-E. That spells white. Sing with me. Milk is white and so is glue. Ghosts are white and they say boo. W-H-I-T-E. That spells white. Sing with me. The clouds above, the snow below, Santa's beard, ho, ho, ho. I like that one. Okay, so if you get your purple folder out, you're gonna have the white pages there, or the packets there. So what I did, if you return these, then I took all the other pages and I just left you with the ones that we are still going to do. We're gonna do white and pink and gray. I don't have a color song for gray. Okay, but okay, we can still do it. Learn how to spell it. Okay, so we're gonna start out with this one. All right, you guys remember doing these? The last one we did was brown, black and brown we did. Okay, so the first thing you do is start with your name. Mrs. J or Mrs. Jenkins. And right here, we're gonna trace the letters. W-H-I-T with the little silent E at the end. And I'm gonna trace it 3 times. I was looking at this word and I thought, you know, it almost looks like the word write, like you're gonna write your name, but that has an R in it. Okay, now it says to color white. Let me get my white crayon. Now I know it's hard to see the white here, but use your crayon anyways, okay? Get your crayon out and color W-H-I-T-E. It's almost a fine motor thing that, you know, it's just the tactile thing of coloring each letter and saying it, W-H-I-T-E. Now I know it's hard to see it, but I can feel it on there. I know the crayon's there because it leaves kind of a waxy feel on it. All right, now we've got a little word search. We're gonna look for W-H-I-T-E here in the box. Okay, they're trying to trick us. They give us a few that kind of look like white, but they're not. Okay, I found the word white 3 times. Let's see if you can find it 3 times in here. Okay, now it says to write it. Okay, sorry about that. I keep holding it up. You got 1, 2, 3 spots. So you can look here, you can look here, you can look everywhere. And lowercase letters, please. Little w, little h. Little h is still tall though. Let me show you in a minute. Okay, so even though I say lowercase, or I might call it little letters, look at the W is short, H is tall, I is short, T is tall, E is short. So these letters fit on the middle and these letters fit on the top and they all touch the bottom, right? So we're gonna try writing it 3 times. If that's too hard, Mom and Dad could use a highlighter or dot it for you, but I don't think it's too hard. I don't think it's too hard for anyone. I really want you to do your own work now. That was good for the first few months of school, but now it's like, these kids are smart. They can do their own work now. Okay, now down at the bottom, what I want you to do is don't cut up here like this and try to cut the boxes out, because then you got this little scrap and this little scrap. Just go from here, and then you can go all the way across. Then you've got a nice clean cut on the bottom. See, now it's nice and straight on the bottom. And I don't have any little scraps sticking out, okay? So this is a fun one. So all the letters are here, E, T, W, H, I, but that's not how we spell white, right? White starts with a W, W-H-I-T-E. So you're gonna cut them apart. They're not in the correct order, okay? And just cut on the dotted lines. So what you're doing is cutting little squares, aren't you? You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little squares with letters on it. Okay, a glue stick works better. This glue stick works better than this kind of glue on this kind of project because I can put the glue stick all across the bottom. And my glue stick has the purple glue, so it's kind of nice because I can see it. I'm going to show you. See, my glue. That's hard to do that. See, you can see the purple glue on there. If I don't hurry, it's going to dry though. And uh-oh, this is my tabletop little easel. All right, and oops, sorry about that. Boom. Forgot to completely take it apart. All right, hopefully that glue stick's not going to dry on me. W. Let me move it up so you can see it a little bit better. H. Don't put the letters upside down. I. You know the dot goes on the top, right? T. I might need some more glue stick. I waited too long, didn't I? And then E. Okay, and I'll hold it up for you so you can see it. I did the whole page. I could go back and color this. Okay, I also want you to do, you know how there's 2 pages for the colors? There's also a fun one right here. This is Finding White on this cute little ghost with a bow tie. Isn't he cute? All right, so we're gonna look for W-H-I-T-E. I found it here. Okay, now I found one that kind of looks like it. It's W-I-T-H. Some of the letters are there, but it's not W-H-I-T-E. So I'm looking for words with 5 letters and with the E. W-H. All the letters have to be in the right order. Wow. Ooh, boy, there's a long word. That's not white. That's too many letters. Okay, don't forget, I see one by the tail. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I can see. It's kind of hard to see where they cross the T there. Now we're going to count them. We're going to count how many times, okay? So I found the word white 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. The number 10 goes up here in the box. Okay, and then I can go back and color it. Now the same thing as yesterday. I think I'm going to give this ghost a red bow tie. Now if it was Halloween, I might do an orange one for Halloween, but it's not. Give him a red bow tie. And then I'm going to go ahead and color this circle up here where I wrote the number 10. Let me see my yellow. I think I need a new basket of crayons. I cannot ever find the colors. Well, I might have to do that later. Let me get my black. I'm going to go around the ghost with black. We can make it look like he's flying at night. Okay, but not too dark. All right, I just kind of... Okay, what I do when I'm doing skies, I don't use this part of the crayon. I kind of use the side of it and I sort of rub. I don't press really hard because I don't want to... You know, that would take a long, long time. Okay, I think I'll go over the mouth with red too, maybe even over the eyes a little bit. And then when I find my yellow, I will color this yellow and it'll look like a yellow moon. And I'm done. I'm done with my white pages today. Okay, we'll keep singing the song though. Okay, bye-bye.